In this video you will learn how to modify an existing ledger, which you created earlier. Sometimes you may want to add new information to your ledger, or you may want to modify any existing details. In such cases Tally lets you make changes to a ledger using ledger alteration. You'll also learn how to delete a ledger. So let's find out how do we do this in Tally. Open Tally. At the gateway of Tally, select the option Accounts Info. Then select Ledgers. Now, select Alter. You'll get the list of ledgers from this list. You need to select the ledger which you want to modify. Suppose if I want to modify the ledger Meter Deposit. Then I can either navigate on that ledger, or I can simply type the name of the ledger to find it, and press Enter. Now, in the ledger alteration screen, you can add new information, or make any changes to existing information. Suppose if I want to change the name Meta Deposit to Meta Deposit Account. Then I need to make the changes. And, then I can simply save the ledger, or further if I want to make any changes, like if I want to change a group. And I can do it and save the ledger. And in case if you want to delete this ledger permanently, then you need to press the shortcut key Alt-D. Tally will prompt you to delete this ledger. So you can either press the letter Y, or letter N accordingly. So this is how you modify or delete a ledger. The ledger alteration method, which you just learned, is referred to as single ledger alteration. You can also modify multiple ledger at once using multi-ledger alteration. So let me show you how to modify multiple ledger together. Now, keep pressing the escape key until you reach the ledger menu. Okay, so over here, you need to select the Alter option, which is under multiple ledger, and press Enter. So you will be asked to select a group whose ledger you want to modify. Suppose if I want to modify all deposit ledgers, then I need to select the group as deposit over here. Now if I press the Enter key, I will be displayed all the ledgers which are created under the group deposits. And if I want to view each and every ledger, then I need to select the option All Items and press Enter. You will display it with existing ledgers. So now you can navigate to a ledger that you want to make changes to. So I'll make the same change which I made with a single alteration. So I'll change the name Meta Deposit to Meta Deposits Account. And for this ledger purchase return over here, the balance type should be credit type balance. So by default, when you select a group as purchase account, the type of balance will be selected as debit type. But for the purchase returns, it should be of opposite type. So I need to change the type of the balance from debit to credit. So in order to do so I need to click on this field and press the letter C for credit and press Enter. Alright, so I just met the required changes, and I need to press Ctrl A to save the changes.